As markets go, especially the NASDAQ, you're up 83 points pre-market. There we go. David Stryzewski with us this morning to sort this market out for us. All right, David, S&P 500 and the NASDAQ both hit record highs late yesterday. Where does this rally go?
Well, great to be with you, Stuart. You know, this rally is right now in the midst of July. And so what does that mean? Well, this is historically the best month for stocks. So it's a setup that we're seeing a lot of positive sentiment here. And I think that's what's being reflected in the charts right now. You know, in kind of like a midterm, long-term basis, you know, I think most people would agree that we've kind of gotten a little bit heated up here since October. And so an expectation of like a 10-15% pullback, I think, is in line right now. But, you know, we're in an election year, and I think it's pretty apparent that Powell and Yellen are going to try to goose this election. So if we start seeing a little bit of challenges.
You think you've got a politicized Fed and a Treasury Department which would willingly cut rates to secure an election win for Biden? You think they're that political?
I believe that July is on the table right now. By the way, that was the one-year marker from when we stopped raising rates, but we have businesses right now that are just desperate for lower rates today, and they're not getting them. And so this is where we're going to be seeing a lot more volatility as more bankruptcies are up. We got 1.5 million people that are unemployed, full-time unemployment now. And so there's a lot of numbers that are like actually falling apart here in the data. And so if we're going to be shifting this, go ahead.
No. So look, we've got a nice rally going on here. All this year is a nice rally. But you think it's a setup for a 10-15% decline in what, in the next couple of months?
Yes, sir, I do. And by the way, if that happens, my pick for you here this morning, Stuart, is one that when people start getting into fear and that fear gauge, the VIX, starts going up again, CME, the Chicago Mercantile, is going to be the play to be looking for. You got a nice dividend, nice appreciation. They're obviously putting together futures contracts. So a lot of people are going to be looking for protection.
All right, the market is open. David, thanks very much indeed. We'll start covering the market right now.